Mastering FRACAS implementation strategies. Operational excellence hangs in the balance of a few crucial metrics. What key performance indicators, KPIs, will its teams use to measure the effectiveness of the FRACAS system in achieving operational excellence and ensuring its successful implementation? To ensure the successful implementation of a FRACAS, failure reporting, analysis, and corrective action system, and achieve operational excellence, it is essential to establish a set of key performance indicators, KPIs, that measure the effectiveness of the system. These KPIs will provide insights into the system's performance, identify areas for improvement, and enable data-driven decision-making. The following KPIs can be used to measure the effectiveness of the FRACAS system. 1. Mean time to detect, MTTD. This KPI measures the average time taken to detect a failure or anomaly. A lower MTTD indicates a more efficient detection process, which is critical for minimizing downtime and reducing the impact of failures. Target: achieve an MTTD of less than 2 hours for critical failures and less than 24 hours for non-critical failures. 2. Mean time to repair, MTTR. This KPI measures the average time taken to repair or resolve a failure. A lower MTTR indicates a more efficient repair process, which is essential for minimizing downtime and reducing the impact of failures. Target: achieve an MTTR of less than 4 hours for critical failures and less than 48 hours for non-critical failures. 3. Mean time between failures, MTBF. This KPI measures the average time between failures. A higher MTBF indicates a more reliable system, which is critical for ensuring operational excellence. Target: achieve an MTBF of at least 500 hours for critical equipment and at least 1000 hours for non-critical equipment. 4. Failure rate. This KPI measures the frequency of failures per unit of time. A lower failure rate indicates a more reliable system, which is essential for ensuring operational excellence. Target: achieve a failure rate of less than 2% for critical equipment and less than 5% for non-critical equipment. 5. Root cause analysis, RCA, effectiveness. This KPI measures the percentage of failures for which a root cause has been identified and verified. A higher RCA effectiveness indicates a more effective failure analysis process, which is critical for preventing recurring failures. Target: achieve an RCA effectiveness of at least 90% for critical failures and at least 80% for non-critical failures. 6. Corrective action effectiveness. This KPI measures the percentage of corrective actions that have been implemented and verified. A higher corrective action effectiveness indicates a more effective corrective action process, which is essential for preventing recurring failures. Target: achieve a corrective action effectiveness of at least 95% for critical failures and at least 90% for non-critical failures. 7. User adoption rate. This KPI measures the percentage of users who have been trained and are actively using the FRACAS system. A higher user adoption rate indicates a more successful implementation, which is critical for ensuring operational excellence. Target: achieve a user adoption rate of at least 95% within 6 months of implementation. 8. Data quality. This KPI measures the accuracy and completeness of the data entered into the FRACAS system. High-quality data is essential for generating reliable insights and making informed decisions. Target: achieve a data quality score of at least 90%, as measured by the percentage of complete and accurate records. 9. Cost savings. This KPI measures the reduction in maintenance and repair costs achieved through the implementation of the FRACAS system. A higher cost savings indicates a more effective system, which is critical for ensuring operational excellence. Target: achieve a cost savings of at least 10% within 12 months of implementation. 10. Customer satisfaction. This KPI measures the level of satisfaction among customers or end users with the quality and reliability of the products or services delivered. High customer satisfaction is essential for ensuring operational excellence. Target: achieve a customer satisfaction score of at least 90%, as measured by surveys or feedback forms. By tracking and analyzing these KPIs, organizations can measure the effectiveness of their FRACAS system, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions to achieve operational excellence. Regular review and analysis of these KPIs will ensure that the FRACAS system is optimized to meet the organization's goals and objectives.